The pretty orange LEDs came on. Alright, looks like this thing is working. Hello everybody, let's do a wash in the 1979 Maytag A106. I can't play actual music, but this is the next best thing. That's that, and I've got a unreleased video. See how this sounds. Take one last look at them back in the original packaging. Double flasher set. So be looking forward to this one. Get the back of it. See if we can sneak just a second of music on here. Take a sip of Dr. Pepper to celebrate the successful repair. That's good. Very good. Here we go. That's all we get right there. By the way, who knows the name of that song? Put a comment and win absolutely nothing. But thanks for playing along. A few days later, back at it. I got the pair of new JJ tubes, so I'm going to go ahead and get those installed, and we should be back in business. A few moments later, it's all put back together and give it a little quick cleanup with the Santa wax. It's pretty good stuff right there. As you can see, nice high gloss shine to it. So I'm going to set it up next to the computer and do a bench test on it, and I'll get to enjoy some good music, but not you guys with this, because YouTube can't do that kind. So I'll report back in a little bit. Hold on. I've been running this thing for a little while, hour or so. Been working absolutely flawless. So I'm going to call this Samsung docking station a finished product, finished repair. There's the new tubes, all shined up and ready to go. Thank you for watching.